I get it. Most home buyers dream of finding a great house at a bargain price. And one strategy to achieve this is making a lowball offer, significantly lower than the listing price. However, this can sometimes backfire if the seller feels insulted or just rejects the offer outright. So some steps to successfully making a lowball offer. Number one, understand the market. Stay informed about the local real estate market because in a seller's market with high competition, like here in Silicon Valley, lowball offers are less likely to be accepted. And conversely, in a buyer's market, or if we see a house has been listed for months, sellers might be more willing to negotiate.
Yes!
Number two, be respectful. Treat sellers how you would want to be treated if it was your home and you were selling. So have respect regardless of your opinion on the property's condition or the price. Show appreciation for their home and present a well-prepared offer to increase your chances of it being considered. Number three, use your agent. Have your agent communicate with the listing agent. They can gather valuable information about why the sellers are selling, if they've rejected previous offers. Finding out what's important to them is going to help you craft your offer better. Number four, have financing ready. Ensure your offer is backed by a pre-approval letter from a local lender and include an earnest money deposit. All about that in my previous video. The stronger your financial position, the more seriously sellers are going to take your offer. And of course, an all-cash offer is obviously going to be even more compelling. Number five, minimize those contingencies. Keep them to a minimum. While you should still have a home inspection, consider making it for informational purposes only. Sellers are more likely to accept an offer that comes with fewer conditions attached. In conclusion, making a low offer on a house can be a successful strategy if you do it thoughtfully and respectfully. Understand the market, be prepared financially, minimize contingencies. While there are risks of losing the house, a well-crafted low offer on that home that's been sitting could lead to a great deal.